What's up guys, S24 here. We got another unboxing today. Today we have the Samsung Galaxy S24 in marble grey. And yeah, I'm just going to be unboxing the phone, showing you around. And also make sure to like and subscribe because I do have some official accessories. The vegan leather case, the silicone case, and the anti-reflective screen protectors. So I will be doing these unboxings and reviews in a separate video. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss that. Without anything else said, let's get straight into the unboxing of the S24. So ripping off the seals, I have used the S24 Ultra. My review for that phone will be coming out soon. I also do have a couple more cases to review for the S24 Ultra as well, but that will all be in separate videos. So if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure to like and subscribe. So the phone's on top, as you can see. There's the phone. So we'll look at that in a second. What else is in the box? I'm guessing it's going to be pretty similar to what the S24 Ultra had, that being the SIM ejection tool, the quick start guide, and the cables. Now, I don't really have a need for the cables or any of that right now, so I'm just going to place this back in the actual box. Apart from that, the box is empty. They keep it pretty similar, pretty simple to be honest. But yeah, this is the S24 in marble grey. It looks pretty white to me, to be honest. It looks more of a silver than it does grey. Taking off the front plastic. And there it is. And yeah, as you guys can see, that is the S24. First impressions, this is much lighter than the phones that I have used previously. And yeah, does it look grey? You guys can leave it in the comments. To me, this looks more white than it does grey. We've got the sides that look pretty similar to the iPhone sides. But yeah, that was a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First impressions, this does look pretty similar to the S23. The sides do feel nice. And just a quick comparison to the S24 Ultra. As you guys can see, there is a pretty big size difference. And the color, this is titanium gray versus what they call marble gray on this phone. But yeah, size difference. Even the feel in the hand, this is more curved on the Ultra than this, which is just completely straight sides. But yeah, overall, they do both look really nice. I might be coming out with a comparison between the two phones in the future. So if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure to like and subscribe. But with that, that was the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 in marble grey. Make sure to like and subscribe.